Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and healthy. So today again we are here for learning science. In science we learn about different type of things, different type of animals and different type of food. We also learn about safety rules and we learn about importance of house. We learn that some food we get from animals and some food we get from plants. So all these things we learn in science, right? So we learn that some safety rules we have to follow at our home, at school and many other places, and some good habits we have to follow every day. So let's start our today's lecture. As you know, I am your science teacher Mubassira Miss from Mahdi School, and today we continue our lesson number 12, water. The name of this lesson is water and our today's topic is fair book exercise. So in this lesson we learn about water, importance of water, from where we get water and how we use water in our life. We also learn that water is second most important thing for life. So we learn about many things in this lesson, and we learn about water, water bodies, sources of water and many things, right? So today we continue this lecture with our next topic, fair book exercise, which we write in our fair book. So till now we write fill in the blanks, hard words, true or false, all these things. So today we continue this topic. So let's start our today's lecture with one beautiful line. The line is think positive, talk positive, feel positive. What is meaning of this? That when you think positive, you achieve positive, and you have to talk positive. It means when you are speaking about something, so it means you have to be positive, and feel positive. It means right now we all are in COVID-19 situation, right? So if we are thinking good that in some time, so we have to think that after some time, very soon we come out from this situation. So this line is for our current situation, because right now we all are in dangerous situation. So think positive, talk positive and feel positive. So with this beautiful line, let's start our today's lecture. So in this lesson we learn about water. So every day first we revise what we learn in lesson number 12, right? In quickly we revise whole lesson, that what we learn in lesson number 12 about water. Then we revise what we learn in previous lecture, and then we start our today's topic. So in this lesson we learn about water. So right now on your screen you can see the picture of rain. So in this lesson we learn that rain is main source of water. We learn about water cycle, that how we get water from water, right? So all these things we learn, that in rivers, in lakes, in oceans, in ponds, anywhere you see water, this is because of rain. So it means rain is main source of water. Then we learn about underground water. So what is underground water or groundwater? So when we learn about rain, because of rain, some water absorbed by the land, and this water is known as groundwater, which we use through hand pumps and different type of motors in our house. We called it boring also, right? So when we on the switch we get water. So this water we pump it from the land and then we get. Then we learn about some water bodies. So which are water bodies? So rivers, lakes, dams, ponds and ocean. These all are water bodies, and many other water bodies also. We learn that 97% of water on this earth is water of ocean, which we cannot use in anything. We have only 3% of water which we can use in cooking, and washing clothes and drinking and many other things. So you can just imagine that the water which whole world using, the whole earth, all living things using is the water, only 3% of the earth, right? So we have to save water. Then we learn that on mountains and many other places where there is snowfall and the atmosphere is very cold, and at that time the water freezes and the sun come out, and because of that, because of sunlight, the snow or the ice melted and we get water. Some of the oceans are also frozen in winter season. Why? Because of this ice, because of snow, right? So that's why we get water from ice also. Then we learn about uses of water. So what are the uses of water? So we learn that the first use of water and the second most important thing of the living thing, it is water, right? Why? Because we need water to drink. We cannot survive without water after 3 or 4 days, right? So you can imagine that when you are going out of your home and for 6 hours, 7 hours, 9 hours, if you don't get water, you feel thirsty, and you can understand that what is your situation at that time. So we need water to farming, we need water to cooking, washing, cleaning and putting out fire. And one more thing is that we need water to get electricity. When we store water in dams, we open the door of the dams and through this we get electricity, right? So now you think in your mind that how we get electricity from water. So we learn in next lectures, right? So we get water from rain, and this water is going underground also and going in rivers, lakes and ponds also, and we use this water also, right? So this is our lesson number 12, which is about water. So first we revise whole lesson. Now we start that what we learn in previous lecture, right? So let's see that what we learn in previous lecture. In previous lecture, we learn about true or false, right? So in previous lecture, we complete our true or false, right? So when we learn about true or false, we learn that we have one sentence. If sentence is right, we have to write true. If sentence is wrong, we have to write false, right? So let's see. In first we revise that what we learn in previous lecture. So first we learn that true or false, right? So let's see our first true or false. Let's go. So true or false number 1, that we don't get water from well. Now we already done this in previous lectures, so you have to revise this and give answer very quickly. So we don't get water from well. So what is meaning of well? As we learn in this lesson that when it is water cycle, because of water cycle we get water, right? We get rain. So this rain water absorbed by the land. And this land water we pump it through the hand pumps and many other things. With motors and with electricity we pump it, and we are using this water in our house. But in many places, mostly in villages, we all know that there is right now not a electricity, and that's why they make a well. They digging the land and make wells inside the land, and they dig hole till the water, right? So they again and again dig the land, and when at the end of the digging they get water. So we don't get water from well. So as we all know that land gave us water and we get water from well also. Well is one of the sources of water which is give us underground water. So here you can see the picture of Snow White, one of the cartoon which you see at your home also. So this Snow White, the princess is take out water from the well. It means we get water from the well, right? So it is right answer. So what is the sentence here? We don't get water from well. So what we write here? We write here true or we write here false? False. Why? Because we get water from well. We don't get water from well is wrong statement. That's why we write here false. So we don't get water from well is the wrong statement. So that's why I write here false. Now number 2. We should throw waste into the lakes and rivers. Now, when we learn about water, when we learn about surroundings, when we learn about food, we all know that we always eat fresh food, right? As like that, we always drink water and it is clean water. So as we all know that we get water from rain and rainwater going into the rivers and lakes. And we also know that we only drink the water of lakes and rivers. If this water is going into the ocean, this water is worthless. Right? So we need to drink water of lakes and rivers. Right? Now here you can see that we should throw waste into the lakes and rivers. Mostly you all are going to visit this type of places, right? Like rivers and lakes. Near our city there is a one lake, Gauri Shankar Lake, and you all know that you are going there and enjoy and you eat things and throw garbage into the lakes. Now you think in your mind one boy is throwing garbage into the lake. Right? So you can see here there is a bottles of cold drinks and many things, breads and cheese and garbage. Right? Now you think that this garbage going into the rivers and lakes, and you all know that we all are drinking water of lakes and rivers. Right? So what is the thing that we are drinking this dirty water? If you are doing all these things, it means you need dirty water and you make a water dirty, right? And because of dirty water you fall ill, right? So we should throw waste into the lakes and rivers. It is good thing that we have to throw waste into the rivers and lakes. No, we have throw waste into the dustbin, right? So like wherever you are going, it is your duty that keep your surroundings clean. So the sentence is wrong. Why? Because we should keep our lakes and rivers clean. And why we need this? Because we are drinking water of lakes and rivers. Keep in your mind that we cannot drink the water of ocean, right? But it is your duty that you don't throw garbage in ocean also, right? So as you all at your home and you are not throwing garbage into the pot from which you are drinking water, right? So it is our duty to save water, plus you have to keep the clean all these places like lakes and rivers. So that's why this things is wrong that you have throw garbage into the rivers and lakes. Then our third true or false is we can store water in buckets and tanks. So here you can see that we can store water in buckets and tanks. So as we learn in this lesson that in our house we store water, right? So as you know that 24/7, 365 days we don't get rain, right? Because it is particular season for rain. So at that time what we are doing, that we are store water in land and rivers and ocean and dams. But as you know that in our house where we store water, before we are going to take bath, what we do? We fill the bucket. and if there is power cut on next day, so what is the first thing we are doing? That we are on the switch and full the water tank, right? So we can store water in pictures. What you see in this picture, that we can store water in bucket. You can see the tap is on and we can store water in bucket, and you can see here tanks also, and big tanks you can see on the buildings also, as well as when you are going near to Victoria Park, you can see there is a big tank. This tank is for the whole Bhavnagar city, right? They purified this water and they give us water. So we can store water in buckets and tanks. Yes, it is right answer. So what we write here, it is true. So now you can easily understand that what are the storage of water which are natural, and here you can see the storage of water which we use in our home also. So we can store water in buckets and tanks. So it is true. Then number 4, water is needed for cleaning. So when we learn about different uses of water, we also learn that we are using water in cleaning, in drinking also, in cooking also, right? So when we learn about water uses, we learn that we wash dishes, plates and different type of containers with use of water. We also learn that we are washing clothes with water. So this all are cleaning at your home. You all know that when your mother is mopping on the floor, so what your mother is using? Your mother is using water, and with help of water they are using the mop and clean the floor. So right, you can understand that water is needed for cleaning. Here you can see the picture of one lady who is cleaning the floor, and they are using water to cleaning. Right? So what is the right answer here? True. So water is needed for cleaning. In the next, we should drink dirty water. Now in previous lecture we already learned that we have 2 glasses of water, one is clean and one is dirty. Now which one you are choosing for drinking? Right? So what is the right answer? It is false. Why? Because we need to drink clean water and dirty water make us fall ill. So now we can understand that we should drink dirty water is false, and that's why I put wrong mark on the dirty glass of water. Right? So that's why we should drink dirty water is false. So here you can see the true or false. With answer, we don't get water from well. False. We should throw waste into the lakes and rivers. False. We can store water in buckets and tanks. It is true. Water is needed for cleaning. True. We should drink dirty water. False. Right? So all these things we learn in previous lecture. Then our next question is match the following. So what we have to do in this? We have column A with column B. So we have to join column A with the answer in column B. Right? So now you can easily understand that this lesson is about water. So we have to join column A and the answer is in column B, which is related to each other. We have to join them. Right? So now you can understand that what is the water and how you identify the different things. So let's see our true and false. So here you can see that we have 4 options and 4 questions. So number 1, we get water, then we store water. Number 3, we need water for this, and living things need to drink this. Now we have 4 words in second column, and what are they? It is bucket, it is river, it is water, and it is cooking. Now what we have to do, that we have to join column A with column B. But keep in your mind that the answer which are you joined with each other. Right? So it is related to each other. Now number 1, we get water. So we have four options here: bucket, river, water and cooking. Now we get water. So from where we get water? So first we get water from cooking. Yes or no? No. So we get water from bucket? No. Why? Because we store water in bucket, but we don't get water from bucket, right? So we get water from river. Yes or no? Yes. So we all know that river is natural source of water. The rainwater is going inside the rivers and ponds and lakes. So we are using this river water in our house through the pipelines, and we use this water for drinking also. So we get water from river. So here you can see that we joined number 1 with number 2. Then number 2, we store water. So we have again 3 options, which are the bucket, water and cooking, right? Because river is already, we joined it, so this answer is going out from this, right? So we store water in cooking. Yes or no? No, we use water in cooking. Then we store water in water. We can store water in water. Yes or no? No. So what is the right answer? We store water in bucket, right? So as I give you the example that when you are going to take bath, at that time first what you do? First you fill the bucket. Why? Because you need to store water for take bath, right? So we store water in bucket. We also learn the different storage of water which we use in our house, and which are the buckets, tanks and pots, right? Then number 3, we need water for this. Now when we learn about different uses of water, we learn that there are different things in which we are using water. So which are they? When we are drinking water, what we are using? We are using water. When we are washing the cloth, what we are using? We are using water. So when we are cooking food, at that time, what we are using? So I give you one simple example, that when you are cooking food like Maggi, you are making Maggi at home. So first what your mother is doing? First your mother is boil the water, right? So we are using water in cooking. So we need water to this, and it is cooking. So now you can easily understand that we need water for this and it is cooking. So we joined number 3 with number 4, cooking. And living things need to drink. So what living things need to drink? Obviously it is water, because it is the second most important thing which is on the earth. So we joined number 4 with water. So now you can understand that we are using this water in drinking. So we joined, we get water with river, we store water with bucket, we need water for cooking, and living things need to drink, it is water, right? So let's see. Here you can see, again match the following but. Here we have the option, and in option you can see here the pictures. So you can easily understand that we get water from river. So we joined, we get water with river. Then second, we store water. So we store water in bucket. So you can understand that with use of tap, we are fill the bucket and we can store water. So we joined, we get water with river and we store water with bucket, right? So you can easily understand this thing. So here you can see the picture of water bottle, and in second picture you can see one lady is cooking food. So you can see the lady is using water. So we need water for this. So we joined cooking with we need water for this, and living things need to drink, and it is water. So now you can easily understand that we need water to drink. So that's why I put here the picture of water and bottle. So living things need to drink, it is water. So as I told you the example of cooking, we are using food, and for this food we need to boil this food, and we are using water for boil food, right? So now you can understand that what are the uses of water, different uses of water, and from this the most important use of water is drinking, and all living things need water to drink. So now here we joined, we need water for this with cooking, and living things need to drink water, right? So here you can see both pictures and I joined it. Now let's see the match the following with answer. So I write here the answer. We get water. You can see here river. So we all know the different storage of water, rivers, lakes, dams and wells and hand pumps. These two are the water which we get from land, and we called it underground sources of the water. Then we all know the ocean is the one of the source of water, but we cannot drink the water of ocean. Then second, we store water. So when we learn about storage of water, we all learn that in our house we store water in buckets, tanks and pots, right? So here I write the answer, we store water with bucket. Then number 3, we need water for this. So different uses of water. So first use of water is drinking, and the other uses of water is cooking, washing different things, cleaning and many other things. So we need water for cooking also. Then number 4, living things need this to drink. So what we are using for drinking? It is water. So we all know, we learn in lesson number 2 also that living things need 3 things. And which are they? Air, water and food. Right? So we complete here, match the following. So we get water from river, we store water in bucket, we need water for cooking, and living things need water to drink. So what we learn today? Today we learn the next exercise, which is match the following. First we revise lesson number 12, which is about water. Then we revise what we learn in previous lecture, true or false, and then we complete our today's exercise, which is match the following. So I hope you all understand what we learned today and you enjoy this lecture. So take care of yourself and stay healthy.